I know that you don't feel your best. Hold on and be strong, 'cause God's looking out for you. Broken dreams got you feeling blue. Hold on and be strong, 'cause God's got the final say. Just remember, at the end of the day, the favor of God will open a way. God's favor is more precious than life. God's favor more precious than life. Oh, to me.